Imagine a world where the freshest, most succulent cold-water fish grace the plates of high-end restaurants and health food stores year-round. Picture a sustainable aquaculture system that produces premium trout, salmon, and Arctic char with unrivaled quality and taste. Welcome to the future of fish farming with recirculating aquaculture systems, or RAS. In these closed-loop systems, water is continuously recycled, creating an optimal environment for fish growth without the need for large bodies of water. This means we can raise these cold water delicacies anywhere, regardless of climate or season. From the crystal clear waters of the mountains to urban settings, RAS technology revolutionizes the way we farm fish. By targeting niche markets, we can cater to discerning customers who value freshness, sustainability, and premium quality. High-end restaurants seeking exquisite flavors and health food stores promoting clean eating can now offer their customers a true culinary experience with our locally sourced, responsibly raised cold water fish. So, whether it's the delicate texture of trout, the rich flavor of salmon, or the unique taste of Arctic char, our RAS-produced fish are setting a new standard in the seafood industry. Join us in this journey towards a more sustainable and delicious future, where every bite tells a story of innovation and excellence.